Welcome to our video on the 5 natural ways to reduce blood sugar quickly and effectively. If you're looking for a quick and natural ways to lower your blood sugar levels, then this video is for you. We're about to reveal the top 5 ways to reduce blood sugar in just 1 week, naturally. Before we dive into these effective strategies, please do us a quick favor. Please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. And ring that bell for future notifications so you don't miss any of our latest content. Keeping blood sugar levels in check is crucial for preventing complications like heart disease, nerve damage, and other serious health issues. By implementing these natural methods, you can see significant improvements in your blood sugar levels in just 1 week. Now, let's get into the details. It's time to uncover the top 5 natural ways to reduce blood sugar quickly and effectively. Starting our countdown at number 5 is increasing your fiber intake. Dietary fiber, particularly soluble fiber, plays a crucial role in managing blood sugar levels. Soluble fiber dissolves in water to form a gel-like substance that slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. This process results in a more gradual rise in blood sugar levels, preventing the sharp spikes and sudden crashes that can make diabetes management challenging. High-fiber foods are abundant and diverse, making it easy to incorporate them into your diet. Vegetables such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and carrots are excellent sources of fiber. Fruits like apples, oranges, berries, and pears not only provide fiber, but also essential vitamins and minerals. Legumes, including beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are rich in fiber and protein, making them a perfect addition to salads, soups, and stews. Whole grains like oats, barley, and quinoa are also high in fiber and can be used in various recipes, from breakfast porridge to hearty grain bowls. One of the most beneficial aspects of a high-fiber diet is its ability to promote satiety and support weight management. Fiber-rich foods tend to be more filling, which can help reduce overall calorie intake and prevent overeating. This is particularly important for diabetics, as maintaining a healthy weight can improve insulin sensitivity and overall blood sugar control. In addition to stabilizing blood sugar levels, a high-fiber diet also supports overall digestive health. Fiber helps to keep the digestive system running smoothly by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. It also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut and supporting a healthy microbiome. A well-balanced gut microbiome is linked to improved immune function, better nutrient absorption, and even a reduced risk of chronic diseases, including diabetes. To see significant improvements in blood sugar control, aim for at least 30 grams of fiber per day. Start your day with a high-fiber breakfast, such as oatmeal, topped with berries and a sprinkle of flax seeds. For lunch and dinner, include a generous serving of vegetables and whole grains, and add beans or lentils to your soups, stews, or salads. Snack on fiber-rich options like fruit, nuts, and seeds throughout the day. If you're new to a high-fiber diet, it's essential to increase your fiber intake gradually. Sudden increases can cause digestive discomfort, such as bloating and gas. Drink plenty of water to help fiber move through your digestive system and minimize these side effects. Next up, at number 4, is staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is a simple yet effective way to manage blood sugar levels. Proper hydration helps the kidneys flush out excess blood sugar through urine, reducing the overall glucose load in the bloodstream. This natural process is essential for maintaining stable blood sugar levels and preventing the complications associated with diabetes. Water is the best choice for staying hydrated, as it is calorie-free and easily absorbed by the body. Aim to drink at least 8-10 glasses of water a day. This amount can vary depending on individual needs, activity levels, and climate, so it's important to listen to your body and drink when you feel thirsty. In addition to plain water, you can include other hydrating beverages to meet your daily fluid requirements. Herbal teas are an excellent option as they are typically free of calories and sugar. Green tea, chamomile tea, and peppermint tea not only hydrate but also provide additional health benefits such as antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Infused water is another great way to stay hydrated and add a burst of flavor without added sugars. You can create your own infused water by adding slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint to a pitcher of water. These natural flavors can make drinking water more enjoyable and encourage you to drink more throughout the day. Lemon, for instance, provides a refreshing taste and a dose of vitamin C, while cucumber adds a subtle flavor and extra hydration. Mint can aid digestion and provide a cooling effect, making it a perfect addition to your hydration routine. It's important to avoid sugary drinks and excessive caffeine, as these can lead to dehydration and blood sugar spikes. Sugary beverages like sodas, fruit juices, and sweetened teas can cause rapid increases in blood sugar levels, making diabetes management more challenging. High caffeine intake, found in drinks like coffee and energy drinks, can also have a diuretic effect, leading to increased urination and potential dehydration. If you do enjoy caffeinated beverages, try to balance them with plenty of water to stay properly hydrated. Staying well hydrated helps maintain blood sugar levels within a healthy range and supports your body's ability to manage diabetes effectively. Proper hydration supports overall bodily functions, including metabolism and circulation. When you are well hydrated, your cells function more efficiently and your body can better regulate blood sugar levels. Hydration also aids in digestion and nutrient absorption, ensuring that your body gets the nutrients it needs to function optimally. Moreover, staying hydrated can help you feel more energized and reduce the likelihood of overeating. Sometimes, thirst can be mistaken for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking or larger meal portions. By drinking water throughout the day, you can help control your appetite and avoid consuming excess calories. Coming in at number 3 is engaging in regular exercise. Physical activity is one of the most effective ways to manage blood sugar levels and improve overall health. Exercise helps increase insulin sensitivity, which means your cells can use available blood sugar more effectively. As a result, engaging in regular physical activity can lead to lower blood sugar levels both during and after exercise. When you exercise, your muscles use glucose for energy, reducing the amount of sugar in your bloodstream. This process not only helps to lower blood sugar levels, but also improves the body's overall glucose metabolism. Additionally, regular exercise can help counteract insulin resistance, a common issue in diabetics, making it easier for the body to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Incorporate at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise into your daily routine. There are many types of physical activities to choose from, and the best exercise is one that you enjoy and can stick with consistently. Some excellent options include brisk walking, which is a simple and effective way to increase your heart rate and burn calories and can be done almost anywhere without any special equipment. Cycling, whether you prefer outdoor biking or using a stationary bike, is a great cardiovascular exercise that helps improve insulin sensitivity and cardiovascular health. Swimming, a low-impact exercise that is gentle on the joints, provides a full-body workout and can help improve cardiovascular fitness and muscle strength. Strength training, using weights, resistance bands, or body weight exercises helps build muscle. Increased muscle mass can improve insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. Consistency is key when it comes to exercise. Aim to incorporate physical activity into your daily routine and gradually increase the intensity and duration as your fitness level improves. Finding an exercise routine that you enjoy will make it easier to stick with it long term. Whether it's joining a fitness class, taking up a sport, or simply going for a daily walk, the important thing is to stay active regularly. In addition to lowering blood sugar levels, regular exercise offers numerous other health benefits. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for managing diabetes, and exercise helps burn calories and build muscle, contributing to weight loss and weight management. Exercise also reduces stress, which is important because stress can negatively impact blood sugar levels. Physical activity stimulates the production of endorphins, also known as feel-good hormones, which can help improve mood and reduce anxiety. Furthermore, regular exercise improves cardiovascular health by strengthening the heart and improving circulation. This is particularly important for diabetics who are at higher risk of developing heart disease. Improved cardiovascular health reduces the risk of complications such as heart attacks and strokes. At number 2 is managing stress levels. Chronic stress can have a significant impact on blood sugar levels by causing the body to produce hormones like cortisol, which increases blood sugar. When the body is under stress, the fight or flight response is activated, leading to the release of glucose into the bloodstream for quick energy. This can be particularly problematic for diabetics, as it can lead to consistently high blood sugar levels. Learning how to manage stress effectively can significantly improve blood sugar control. One of the most effective ways to manage stress is through relaxation techniques such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, and yoga. These practices can help calm the mind and body, reduce the production of stress hormones, and promote a sense of well-being. Deep breathing exercises can be done anywhere and anytime, providing immediate relief from stress. Meditation helps clear the mind and focus on the present moment, reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation. Yoga combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation, making it a comprehensive approach to stress reduction. Regular physical activity is also a powerful stress reliever. Exercise releases endorphins, the body's natural mood elevators, which can help reduce stress and improve overall mood. Activities such as walking, cycling, swimming, or any form of exercise you enjoy can help keep stress levels in check. Adequate sleep is another crucial factor in stress management. Lack of sleep can increase stress levels and make it more difficult to manage blood sugar. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to help your body recover and cope with daily stressors. Engaging in hobbies and activities you enjoy can also contribute to lower stress levels. Whether it's reading, gardening, painting, or any other activity that brings you joy, taking time to do what you love can provide a much-needed break from daily stress. Mindfulness practices, such as mindfulness meditation or mindful walking, can help you stay present and focused, reducing the impact of stress on your mind and body. Mindfulness involves paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and sensations in a non-judgmental way, which can help you manage stress more effectively. Seeking support from friends, family, or a therapist can also be incredibly beneficial. Talking about your stressors with someone you trust can provide emotional support and help you develop effective coping strategies. Therapists can offer professional guidance and techniques for managing stress and improving mental health. Reducing stress not only helps stabilize blood sugar levels, but also improves overall mental and physical health. A balanced approach to managing diabetes includes addressing both the physical and emotional aspects of the condition. By managing stress, you can create a more harmonious and healthy lifestyle, making it easier to control blood sugar levels and prevent complications associated with diabetes. And topping our list at number 1 is following a balanced diet with low glycemic foods. The glycemic index, GI, measures how quickly a food raises blood sugar levels. Foods with a low GI value are digested and absorbed more slowly, resulting in a gradual rise in blood sugar. This steady absorption helps prevent the rapid spikes and drops in blood sugar that can be challenging for diabetics to manage. Incorporating low GI foods into your meals is a crucial strategy for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Low GI foods include non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, kale, and bell peppers, which are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Whole grains such as quinoa, barley, and oats provide sustained energy and additional nutrients without causing a rapid increase in blood sugar. Nuts and seeds are also excellent low GI options. They are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which help slow the digestion of carbohydrates and maintain blood sugar stability. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are great choices to include in your diet. Legumes, including beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are another low GI food group that provides protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates, making them a versatile and nutritious addition to meals. On the other hand, it's essential to avoid high GI foods that can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. These foods include white bread, sugary snacks, and refined carbohydrates like pastries and sugary cereals. These high GI foods are quickly digested and absorbed, leading to a swift and significant increase in blood sugar, which can be difficult to manage. Pairing carbohydrates with protein and healthy fats can also help slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. For example, adding avocado or a handful of nuts to a salad or pairing whole grain toast with peanut butter can create a more balanced meal that supports stable blood sugar levels. Planning your meals and snacks to include a variety of nutrients is vital for maintaining stable blood sugar and providing sustained energy throughout the day. A balanced diet that focuses on low GI foods can help manage hunger, reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks, and provide the necessary nutrients for overall health. It's also beneficial to eat smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day to keep blood sugar levels steady. In addition to focusing on the GI of foods, it's essential to consider the overall nutritional quality of your diet. Ensure that your meals include a balance of macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, as well as micronutrients like vitamins and minerals. Eating a diverse range of foods can help you meet your nutritional needs and support overall health. By following a balanced diet rich in low GI foods, you can effectively manage your blood sugar levels and improve your overall health. This approach not only helps in controlling diabetes, but also supports weight management, cardiovascular health, and overall well-being. Making mindful food choices and planning your meals with low GI foods can lead to significant improvements in your diabetes management and quality of life. There you have it, the top 5 ways to naturally reduce blood sugar in just 1 week. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can take control of your blood sugar levels and improve your overall health. Remember, consistency is key, and making small, sustainable changes can lead to significant benefits over time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest health tips and information. Have you tried any of these methods or have other tips for managing blood sugar? Share your experiences and suggestions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Also, explore our merchandise for some great finds, and if you found this video valuable, please consider sending us a super thanks. It's a fantastic way to support our channel. Thank you for tuning in. We wish you good health and well-being. See you in the next video.